definitely don't have to be only running Facebook ads straight to an offer of a $49 offer. You could run a Facebook ad where you could have a video that just says, for March, our focus is on really helping people with posture. And there's a number of ways that really bad posture shows up, and you could list a few: headaches and neck pain and shoulder pain, but also affects our energy and how we digest and stuff like that too. If you've got any questions about your posture at all and how it might be, this is a shitty script I'm putting here too, message me down beneath, and you could have a messaging campaign where you're just talking with people all month back and forwards. We do little consults back and forwards. Tell me more. This is going on. Sounds like a chiropractic problem. Come on in. A messaging campaign can work really great. And so there's 3 different sorts: an ad straight to an offer, okay, an ad that's taking someone to a website that gives them even more value, and then an ad that's a messaging campaign, which is just, hey, listen, for the month of April, you'll find something that kind of links it in there too. It's National Posture Month, and we're all about helping you. Any of your questions, here's some of the questions you might want to ask, and you can get into some dialogues with people.